Today I'd like to talk about learning Espanol and give you a couple of new words. This one is escucha. Escucha is listen. Nothing like listen. It is like écouter if you studied French before, but escucha is completamente diferente to the word that it means listen. Escucha. But I like the way it sounds. Escucha. Cuchi. Escuchi. Escuchi. Escucha. I like it. It's nice. The other word is mira. Mira means to look. And you look in a mirror. So, mira. I want to talk about learning Espanol. I'm una profesora de Español. Profesora is a teacher, not a professor. Una profesora de Español, and I like being una profesora de Español because Espanol is quite easy, and teaching Espanol, you can't understand it at first, but when you have it revealed to you, you go, yes, see, I do understand. I want to talk about el estilo, is style, de estudiar, and that's of studying. So, quiero hablar de tu estilo de estudiar. You understand that? You see how nice it is being una profesora de español. Quiero hablar de tu estilo de aprender. En mi opinión, in mi opinion, you have dos opciones, right? And quiero hablar de tus dos opciones. Opción uno. Perdón. The word to write is escribir, right? And it's quite nice to know escribir is to write because you can remember it easily because scribe writes. So, and if you scribble down a note, then you're escribe una nota. And that is your opción número uno. You can escribir notas, right? I'll give you some ejemplos from the Español that I've covered in these videos. You could write, quiero hablar español. I want to talk Spanish. My fingers aren't gonna work. Hablo español perfectamente. I speak Spanish perfectly. It's nice, say it. Hablo español perfectamente. Next one. Oh, we did the laughing sound, which is ha ha ha, as in una naranja, which is an orange. What else? Quiero. Remember, qui and an arrow make quiero, which means I want. Quiero una bebida contigo. I want a drink with you. So you could write that. What drink do you want? Té con leche. Té con leche. Nearly at the end. And last video we did ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño? Importante. When you need to go, you need to go. And, no literal. Quiero papel higiénico, por favor. Right? So, that's estilo número uno. You can escribir notas. Estilo número dos is escucha, mira los videos. En mi opinión, es suficiente. It's enough, it's sufficient. En mi opinión, es suficiente mirar y escuchar los videos. So you do it how you want to do it, and I'll keep coming back with un little video every day. Hasta mañana. Adiós.